So that close to home.
Hey Josh, I'm on TV. Oh, Josh. Okay, here's our plan, Josh. What's the plan? Huh? You do? The plan about getting rid of a puppy. Yeah. First, if you don't like the puppy, and you want to be the only puppy that you get loved, then you leave the door accidentally unlocked and unopened. And then you let the doggy run away. And then you say, I don't know where he went. Yup. Or if that don't work and they catch the puppy, you train him to go potty inside instead of outside. You have him go on people's beds and on people's what else, Josh? And then you eat up all the food on them so they can't eat. Oh, Sheba's down here. Ooh.